Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today's design I have titled, are you ready for it? Botanical Illustrations. I did this arrangement here quite some time ago and it was inspiration about the botanical artists that used to go off as the world was going to all four corners to discover all the beautiful things that were under the umbrella of Botanical. So down here is some of the illustrations, well, actually it's been copied, that they discovered, and the detailed drawing was absolutely beautiful. Wow. The other thing that I love about being here and spending time with you guys is you send me ideas that make my work much easier. So today's request about this design is from Jesse. I don't know where Jesse's from, but he said to me, oh my goodness, Astar, that would look lovely with red orchids for Christmas down at your end of the world. And I thought, that is a great idea. And what I love about an all green arrangement, just filling a little space in your home, is it gives you some calm and it's balancing and harmonizing. And to just sit and look at something green is beautiful. And you must admit, when you're out and about and you're just sitting and you're looking at the greens, there is such an array of shades and tones and textures, and there's zillions and zillions of different greens, and it can be very restful on the eye and just make your soul just have a little bit of peace with it. But anyway, stop, I digress. Get back on track. So I went hunting for some red orchids and I managed to find these. And Jesse tells me that this could look very, very stimulating for Christmas, and I think he's right. So I haven't done this yet, so we're all going to be pleasantly surprised, or we could be disappointed, but we're going to have a crack at it and see what happens with just putting in some red orchids into this. And I'm thinking about now that it would be nice to just have those dripping down. Look, actually, I think you're right, Jessie. I love it. Okay, now I've got to turn it around to me now so that I can see what I'm doing. Now, I've only got 3 of these, so I'm going to have to be a little bit careful as to where I place these. Oh, actually, Jessie, well done, thank you. It's perfect. And then I'm just going to bring that one up to there. And the thing is that because I've used the fresh Oasis into here, I can keep it wet and I can put fresh in. So I'm actually on the hunt for Christmas to get those beautiful red Singapore orchids, which I think will be even better than this. But I just wanted to show you what you can do with it. Now I've got a bright red orchid here, and I think that bringing in some different feeling orchids, or those that just fall around. Oh yes, Jessie, it was a good idea. And I think you're all going to love this, because I think that as a little study in something beautiful, that it's fabulous. Oh, look, how beautiful is that? I just instantly created for me, for Christmas, something that is a little bit tropically inspired. I've got the beautiful green botanics, which are just gorgeous, the red orchids. And come Christmas, if I wanted a little bit more Christmas, look what I could do. Now, I just want to put these in here and see whether I like them, because I might not like them, but then again, it might just be that extra little touch of Christmas. Now, what do you think? Personally, I don't like it because it's got the frosting on it. So what I'm going to do is what I've been doing a lot of late. Sometimes less is more, and visually I absolutely love that. And there is one more thing that I could put into there. I might get some red baubles and just hang those down. Christmas from the tropics is done. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. And you just keep those good ideas coming on into me, because I love to read and receive. Because I see things, but I don't always see things. Sometimes I miss things. So if you send me in things, it just makes me feel so much better about my life, and that I am inspiring you all to look at the botanical world and go, oh, that's a good idea. Anyway, must stop. See you again another day.